This video, I want to share with you this cash flow dashboard that I built. I sell this on Etsy and also on my website. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description. If you buy this item on my website, you get a 10% discount. So check this out in the link. So this cash flow dashboard is a little bit different than the other cash flow dashboard that I have built. And the reason for it is because this is kind of like a hybrid between a revenue, a profit and loss statement, and a cash flow statement. So let's look at the dashboard real quick. So you can see here, you can control this dashboard by the selection menu here. So you can select any month and year, any quarter you like, and also the year to date. So any month that you select, the data will populate according to that selection that you pick. So as you can see here on the left here, this is all revenue related information. You have revenue, you have cost of goods sold, gross profit margin, you have OPEX, this is operating expense, you have your net profit and loss for that month, and then your net profit and loss margin. And then here on the right, you have everything that goes on about the cash flow. You have beginning cash balance, increase or decrease in cash flow. Then you have ending cash balance, right? And then you have all these visual data. And then down here at the bottom, you have the cash flow analysis, and also you have the profit and loss analysis as well. So let me show you where it's getting all this data from. So on this other tab is the cash flow statement. So it's broken out by each month and also the quarter. And then towards the end here is the year-to-date information. So the nice thing about this dashboard is this template here that you input your data is you can select your year, any year you want. So let's say we select 2036. So you can see here all the year populate, and you can select your start month. So not every company start from January, right? They can start from June. So if you select June, it's gonna, have the beginning month as June, and it goes on, so on and so forth. But let's put it back in January and just make this 2035. And then here you can input all your data in the white cell. For the exception of this yellow cell here, the reason I made it yellow is so that it could bring your attention to it, so that you could input in your beginning cash balance for this very first month, if you know what that is. So then the cash flow statement can automatically roll over your ending balance to the beginning balance for each of the next month. Okay. And then here, where the hybrid is, you can see here there's bits and pieces of revenue in here. So you can see there's a revenue section, which is the operating activity. And also down here, you have kind of your cost of goods sold and your operating expenses, and then your gross profit margin, gross profit. And then down here, you have your net profit and loss. So that's where the hybrid is coming in. It's a hybrid between cash flow and profit and loss statement. So, if you want to print this out, all you need to do is highlight the area that you want, and you can print it out as well as a cash flow statement. And all these descriptions are editable, so you can come here and change it to any description you want. So you can put, sales, product, right? Or you can just put sales, right? So any description that you want, you can edit them according to your business needs, and then you just enter in your data. And then once you complete your data and you want to visualize this data here, you just go to dashboard and then pick any month or year or quarter or year-to-date information that you want to see, and it automatically populate according to the information that you input here. So this is a pretty cool dashboard. If you're interested in this dashboard that can help you, keep track of your revenue, expenses, and your cash inflow and outflow, check it out. Again, I put the link in the description. So thank you for watching.